Hi everyone, I'm Steve Mandy, owner of Attack of the Baseball Cards. Now in our 31st year at 60 Milltown Road, Union, New Jersey. And today's our box break. It's a special one. We're actually doing a double box break. We're doing 2011 Topps Team USA. 7 autographs and 3 memorabilia cards per box. And we're also doing 2012 Panini Team USA with 7 autographs or memorabilia cards per box. So 17 hits will be coming out of this box break. Remember, in order to be in our box breaks, all you have to do is give us a call at area code 908-687-8107. We normally do our box breaks on Saturday when a new product comes out, and we will have one next weekend, so we'll tell you about that later. Our box breaks are either $30, $35, $40, or $45 per share, depending on the product. And you can get a share by paying by phone at area code 908-687-8107. We announce on Wednesday or Thursday of each week on Facebook at Attack of the Baseball Cards, on Twitter at Baseball Blog, or in our store what the box break will be. And we randomly select the players or teams that you'll be getting. This week's box break, all the entries are put into our special baseball. If you're here, you get to reach into the ball, or else we'll do it for you. This week we're doing it in alphabetical order, so everyone got letters, the first letter of the player's last name. Normally it's done by teams. And then we break the box and you get all the autographs, memorabilia cards, and regular cards of everybody on your teams or with that letter. So let's start breaking our box. First one, 2011 Team USA from Topps. Now this is a complete set. Everyone will get the letters, the players with the letters, the first letter of their last name for the set, and then also the memorabilia and autograph cards. Let's get this out of here. Attack of the Baseball Cards does have more of these sets in stock. There are also lots of single cards that are serial numbered, and we're going to skim through it real quickly. It is a complete set. I just want to make sure that all the numbered cards are going to be in the separate section. So these are the regular cards in the set, and here are more of the regular cards in the set. And just to show you, the regular cards are nice looking photos. And now let's get to the autographs and memorabilia cards. They are separate here. And let's see what we have. Well, first of all, we have a red autograph of Addison Russell. Red autograph, Addison Russell. Addison Russell autographs are selling in the $30 to $60 range. Here's a Walker Weckel blue autograph. And a blue Addison Russell autograph. Another $30 card. Brendan Klein autograph. Collegiate USA team. Cody Potee autograph memorabilia card. See the jerseys on the bottom of the card. And this card is numbered out of 214. Here's an Austin Meadows triple. It's a piece of memorabilia and autograph. Austin Meadows cards are selling in the $60 and up range. Addison Russell, another memorabilia card. Joe Demers, triple jersey card, 2 different colors. And another 2 different color triple card, Tyler Naquin. And this one is serial numbered out of 240. And here's one more. this out of here comfortably. We have a gold autograph, Devin Moreno. And his cards are also listed, and this is numbered 23 of 25. So those will all get distributed to the people in our poll. And let's go to the second box now. This is this year's 2012 Panini Team USA. Remember, Attack of the Baseball Cards is open every day. Weekdays we're open from 11:30 till 7:30. Saturdays 10:30 to 6, and Sundays from 11:30 till 5. We do carry all sports. This is completely wrapped. Let's open this baby up. Well, actually, it slides off. It's a wrapper right around it, and a double wrapper around it. Attack of the Baseball Cards does have a Super Bowl Pack Wars coming up. Super Bowl Sunday, it's February 3rd. And admission tickets are currently for sale. You need an admission ticket to come. Now, the Team USA cards for this year. Again, beautiful colored photos. And this is a complete set, so everyone will be getting the players with the letters, first letter of the last name that was drawn for them. And let's show the memorabilia cards and autographs. Out of 99, Ryan Stanner, number 28 of 99, jersey card. There's a double jersey card, numbered 40 of 49, Nick Anderson. We have an autograph jersey card, numbered 48 of 99, Trevor Williams. We have a blue autograph, Willie Abreu. Here's a red autograph, Parker Kelly. Parker Kelly cards, regular autograph cards are selling in the $50 range. This is probably in the $50 to $75 range. This is Adam Pluto. Adam Pluto, number 82 of 99, autographed jersey. Adam Frazier autograph. Numbered out of 399. There's a Blake Rutherford autograph, and that's also numbered out of 399. These are autographed on the front of the card and numbered on the front of the card. And finally, Carlos Rodon. And his cards are autograph cards are selling in the $50 to $100 range. And that's also numbered out of $399. And the winner of this week's box break, the person with the least number of cards, will get this Matsusaka Fukudomi triple memorabilia card. And this 1974 Topps Mike Schmidt. Remember, Attack of the Baseball Cards has Pack Wars on Super Bowl Sunday. It's from 1 in the afternoon till 4:30 in the afternoon with kickoff at 6:20. You'll be home in plenty of time for the game or at your party. So stop by, pick up a ticket. Our Pack Wars prize chest is completely overflowing with great prizes. Attack of the Baseball Cards, located at 60 Milltown Road, Union, New Jersey. Our website is www.attackofthebbcards.com. On Facebook, we're Attack of the Baseball Cards. On Twitter, Baseball Blog. Now in our 31st year, Attack of the Baseball Cards, the story the whole nation's talking about.